Okay, so we're going to look at how to add some pages to our website. So here I'm going to log in. I can just look up Student Weebly, and that's going to take me to the login. And here you're going to sign in with your username and password. I think this is my sample, ASCS 2020. I'm going to log in. Okay, great. So remember, we all titled our websites our learning portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Michelle's learning portfolio. And as you recall, we should have our home page and our learning blog page. So today what I want you to do is I want you to create a new page, and we're going to go ahead and create a science page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and click on Pages, and I'm going to add a new page. So when I click on the plus sign, I'm going to add a standard page, and I'm going to name this standard page Science. Now, we don't want to hide it in the navigation. The navigation is where you see Home, Learning Blog, New Page. So we want that to be able to come up. So I'm going to look at the header type. You can have a header, you can have no header or splash. For right now, we will keep the header. The header is this picture right here. Visibility, it's fine. We don't need to click anything on that, or SEO settings. So now that you've named your page, you're going to click Done. And if you look right here in Pages, this is the order that everything goes in. So what we want to do is we actually want to move the science page to be after the home page. So all I do is I click and I drag it up. Oops, actually right there in the middle. So now I've reordered Home, Science, and Learning Blog. When you want to edit, now you just click on the page. So I would like to edit the science page. I know I'm on the science page here, and I'm going to go up to the top and click on Build. So what I'd like you to do here is insert some science quote. So it will be up to you to go ahead and look up quotes about science. I can certainly look some up and give you some options at a later time. And then we are going to, let's see, we're going to drag a title. And this is going to be all about ecosystems. And what I'd like to do is I think I want my title in the middle. So I'm going to click on middle. I think I might want it a little bit bigger. So I'll click 1, 2. I'll increase, actually, no, I don't want it that big. That's about right. Maybe I'd like to change the color. I think ecosystems, I think green. And then when you look at the side for the build, what we're going to do is when you're ready, you're going to embed, you're going to drag over this embed code, and it says click to set custom HTML. Well, this is where you're going to put your slideshow, your ecosystem slideshow, into your website. So it looks a little something like this. I'm going to go to a new tab, and I'm going to switch over. In my Google account, I'm going to go to my drive. And in my drive, I'm going to find my All About Ecosystems. I'm going to double click on that and open it up. So if you notice, this is the template that I've shared with all of you. The next thing I do is I go to File and Publish to the Web. You see this. I click on Publish to the Web, and this will help me put my slideshow into the website. So what we want to do is we want to advance the slides, I'd say every 5 seconds. You want to click on Start the Slideshow, and then you want also to restart. So it's going to keep running constantly. Then we're going to go to Embed, and we look at, we just want them to be small. So start and restart. Advance the slide every 5 seconds. So now, okay, make sure that you're clicked on Embed. You're going to click Publish, and it says, are you sure you want to publish this section? Okay. This, you're going to press Control-C to copy. And now I'll close that out, and I'm going to go back to my Weebly. I'm going to click in here, and I'm going to click Edit. Now I'm going to paste. Remember, paste is Control-V. Now that I've pasted all that information, I'm going to click, and there is your slideshow, all about ecosystems. And let's go ahead and put this in the middle. Not sure if that'll work. I'm going to publish. And now I can click on this link. It will open up my website. And let's look at the science page. And there we go, all about ecosystems. So best of luck creating your science page and embedding your slideshow into your website.